Sufficiency Economy Philosophy, the Royal Initiative Development Model of Thailand, bestowed by the late King, His Majesty Bhumibol Adulyadej, has proven to be the guiding principle that enables the Thai people and Thai society to live sustainably amidst the 1997 Asian financial crisis, rapid globalization, disruptive technology, and a new way of life after the COVID pandemic. Inspired by the Buddhist notion of the middle path, the very core of the SEP consists of three components: moderation, reasonableness, and self-immunity or prudence, with two accompanying conditions: knowledge and mortality or virtues. Its ultimate goal is put into practice traditional social values of adopting the middle path for appropriate conduct by the population at all levels of society, individuals, families, communities, and the nation, and create a balance in the development of the economy, society, culture, and environment. With the recognition of its importance, SEP has become one of the guiding principles in CM University's policies and all of our administrative, academic, and community engagement activities. Academically, we encourage our staff to integrate SEP into the courses offered. CM University provides a core course in SEP for SDGs in the General Education Program for our undergraduate students. This course aims to develop knowledge, skills, and attitudes towards SEP and nurture a sufficiency mindset. Enrolled students are asked to initiate SEP-related projects, giving them insights into the philosophy and how it's implemented into developing their lives and society. CM University also promotes SEP through our research activities, such as a project on guidelines to develop a community-participated virtual library, a case study of the implementation of SEP in Pasir Sharon District. This participatory research explored how members of the Klong Lab Pashi and Lert Suksom communities applied His Majesty's inside-out approach and integrated the three components and two conditions of the SEP in their economic, social, cultural, and environmental context for a balanced, stable, and sustainable lifestyle. As for community engagement activities, CM University encourages our students and staff to participate in projects such as the Healthy Space, the Time Bank, and the GSB SU Youth for Local Development. Additionally, our members of our Student Affairs Department and Student Union regularly initiate and participate in voluntary work related to SEP. All of these initiatives have given SU students, staff, and administrators appreciation for the SEP values and the insight of practical implementation of its philosophy at the university, social, and individual levels. They also lead us to understand other teaching of His Majesty, to understand, approach, and develop, and how this philosophy can be a powerful vehicle for achieving the SDGs. SEP is thus truly the gift His Majesty the King, Bhumibol Adulyadej, has passed down for all Thais and citizens of the world.